What I studied is become in accounting sciences, and the reason I studied it is because I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. After I left my job was to help the individuals get their return. I was making money, but it was hand to mouth. At the end, I still don't have money, so I was not helping myself, but I was just making myself even more confused. Actually, my coach taught me that the goals, they shouldn't be just goals. If it's not written, it's not a goal, it's just a wish. And now I'm an entrepreneur and a tax practitioner, and the biggest goal that I've achieved this year is buying a car cash.
So what the app does really is has a whole bunch of work readiness and career readiness content pieces that the youth can go through. And between the youth and the supervisor, the apps then communicate with one another. So they can mark things like attendance, they can do performance, as well as some really cool psychometric games that they can play to sort of see where they fit in and where they should explore from a career perspective. And obviously there's a lot of cloud-based solution providers out there, but the sort of local footprint and support of Microsoft really was their first choice. So I think really the biggest thing around it is for what Yes is trying to achieve to scale, a cloud-based solution really had to be put in place.
So the ecosystem, which comprises a central data store and app running on the cloud, allows Yes to manage their stakeholders' journeys and, for instance, also skills matching. So 100 of the community hubs of Yes will be equipped with our latest technology like Office 365 to equip the youth with the necessary digital skills.
Unemployment should die, like we should combat it. And the only way, or the fastest way, is through entrepreneurship. And the program have helped me to actually grow faster.
It's bringing opportunities to the environment where these youth are, so in the rural areas, in the townships. And part of that is to expose the youth to other aspects of technology and software through the device that they have.
Thanks, Yes for Youth, because now you have made me a CEO and you can do this to many other young people.